Looking for the best cheap option for a new HVAC system that keeps your house cool without absolutely wrecking your wallet? You're not alone. Tons of folks are stressing about keeping their homes comfortable, especially with these wild summer temps and sky-high energy bills. First, get multiple estimates from local HVAC companies because prices can be all over the place, and you want to make sure you're not getting ripped off. Ask each company about their entry-level or budget-friendly models, and look for brands like Trane or Goodman, which are usually known for solid performance without costing $5,000 more just for the label. Don't be afraid to negotiate, like really. Actually say you're comparing quotes and see if they'll budge on price or throw in a better air handler or warranty. Check for rebates or local utility incentives for energy-efficient HVAC systems, because that can seriously knock down your out-of-pocket costs. If you're handy or know a reliable contractor, you might even save by handling some of the prep work yourself, like clearing space or upgrading your thermostat ahead of time. Read reviews online and ask neighbors who recently replaced their systems which companies treated them right and didn't tack on a ton of hidden fees. Once you've got your quotes, compare not just the price but also what's included. Sometimes the cheapest upfront turns into a money pit with bad install jobs or zero follow-up support. And honestly, pay attention to the efficiency ratings. A slightly pricier but way more efficient system could save you a couple $100 every single year on your electric bill. One of the most common mistakes when searching for affordable HVAC system replacement is going straight for the lowest price without checking the company's reputation or experience, which can lead to shoddy installation and way more expenses down the line. Always check reviews and ask for local references before signing anything. Another big issue is ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Going cheap on an inefficient system might save you a few $100 now, but will destroy you with high monthly utility costs. So always compare seasonal energy efficiency ratio ratings and look for Energy Star models. The third mistake is forgetting to ask about warranties and maintenance plans. If you skip this step, you could end up stuck with expensive repairs or no help if something fails early. Always get those details in writing and ask if they include at least a 1-year labor warranty plus manufacturer coverage. BigHomeProjects.com makes it crazy easy for homeowners to find trusted, vetted local HVAC contractors while seeing real reviews and competitive estimates in seconds. Contractors also score more jobs by connecting directly with folks who actually need their services right now, making it a win-win for everyone looking to stay chill without breaking the bank.